This video will go over how to update your ChemField file after updating the methods in your eQAPP. This might happen if fieldwork has been delayed and the lab has made updates in the meantime. For this video, we'll say that our lab now runs SW6010D instead of SW6010C. After discussion and approval by the PDT and project chemist, the team has decided to proceed with SW6010D. These updates do not automatically flow through the eQAPP to the ChemField, but they only take a few steps. First, we will update the eQAPP. Go to Tools, Data, eQAPP Setup. We could either update the method by changing SW6010C to SW6010D, or add a new copy of SW6010D to the eQAPP. Please discuss with the project team to determine which option is appropriate. In this example, previous data was submitted by SW6010C and we want to preserve the method criteria in the eQAPP, so we will add a new copy of SW6010D. Once we have updated the eQAPP, we would complete the steps to get it approved. For more information, please refer to our eQAPP workflow steps before final approval video, linked in the description. Once the eQAPP is approved, we can proceed with next steps. If we updated the method directly in the eQAPP, then the changes automatically carry over to event management, and we can proceed to edit the ChemField. In this case, we added a new method to the eQAPP, so we should update event management first. Let's go over the required steps. For more details, please refer to our Event Management and Field Data ChemField tutorials, linked in the description. Go to Tools, Data Event Management. Go to the Assign Methods tab. Select the locations, check the old method, and click Delete Methods. Then, check the new method and click Add New Methods. Go to the Assign Field Samples tab and click Add Edit Samples. Select the locations that will use the new method. Check the boxes for the new method. Click Save Changes. Next, let's go to Tools, Data Submission. Find the correct ChemField file and click Edit. Note that if your ChemField file was previously certified, it will need to be uncertified for you to edit it. In our file, we can see that SW6010C is still selected for all samples. Let's go to the Test Methods tab. SW6010D is available here, but is currently unchecked. Check the box for the updated method and click Save. Note that if the method you need is not available, you may need to change the methods filter to All Methods. Go back to the Add Field Data tab. Now we can see that SW6010D is shown. We will check the boxes for SW6010D. Click Save, then Submit File. Clicking Submit will screen the file for errors. Note that if the lab data has already been screened, you may get a duplicate data error. If this is the case, ask the lab to remove their file, then rescreen the ChemField. Once all errors are resolved, check the file and click Certify. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.